Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to add an offline reference clip. So here we're working on a little spoof cut of the new Minecraft trailer, and we wanted to match the trailer to the Minecraft animated footage that we had. So in order to line these two up to make sure everything was matching, you have to have a reference clip. So to do that, you go to your media pool, lives where your reference clip is downloaded. You right click it, and then you can say add as offline reference clip. And when you do that, it'll go into your media pool. You'll have a little reference clip. It gets this little checker box in the corner, and that indicates that this is a reference clip. Then you can go to your edit page and go to your timeline. You have to link it to your timeline. So right now, timeline that's loaded is called Minecraft. We right click, we say timelines, and then we say link offline reference clip and choose that. So you have to designate it in your media pool and then designate it on your timeline. Then if you don't see it, you could be viewing sources from your source viewer here in your dual screen viewer, but there's the little drop down here that now becomes available, says offline. You hit that, it'll link up to your playhead, sync up to your picture. Now, one thing that's very important is your time code. So if we go back to our reference clip here and look at that, we can see time code starts at hour 1. And then if we go back to our edit page to timelines and say starting time code, it matches. And then that helped it line up. And that's how you can link an offline reference clip to match up your online edit. And this is done in post-production quite often, where you'll get like a low res or a version with watermarks and time code, and you're matching the finished product to the cut. All right, thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you guys on the next video.